Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the Exynos 9810 going up against the Kirin 980. Both of these phones have 6GB of RAM. The Galaxy Note 9 is on Android 9 Pie with the OneUI update. Would it make any difference? Let's find out in this video. Firstly, we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Exynos 9810 CPU and the Mali G72 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. It also has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Kirin 980 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro wins by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Mate 20 Pro wins again with 1 point. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Mate 20 Pro won by 1 point. In round 2, the Mate 20 Pro won again, and that was also by 1 point. As for the Galaxy Note 9 with its new software update and OneUI, the performance has definitely improved. As for which phone is better, well, that is quite debatable. The Mate 20 Pro does have a better CPU and a very capable camera. As for the Galaxy Note 9, it is a very good phone. However, we are going to be seeing the release of the Samsung Galaxy S10 series anytime now, so hold your money off for that. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I will have more videos coming up. I am planning to get the Samsung Galaxy S10 and the Xiaomi Mi 9 and making camera and speed test comparisons. So make sure you hit that bell notification so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.